Watch and listen carefully. Have your notebook and a pen ready to take notes. Later, you'll complete a writing activity comparing this to the passage you read in the previous activity. Ali strongly believes that purebred pets are the better choice for families. He argues that purebreds often come with predictable traits and characteristics, making it easier for families to find a pet that fits their lifestyle. For instance, if someone wants an active dog that is great with kids, they can choose a breed known for those qualities, ensuring a good match for their home. Another reason Ali prefers purebred pets is the reliability of their lineage. He explains that purebreds come from established breeding practices, which means their health and behavior can be more consistently assessed. This predictability gives pet owners peace of mind, knowing they are getting a pet with specific traits, whether it be size, energy level, or grooming needs. Lastly, Ali appreciates the beauty and standards associated with purebred pets. He finds joy in the unique features that each breed offers, such as the distinctive coat patterns or specific physical traits. Ali believes that purebred pets not only showcase the hard work of responsible breeders, but also contribute to the diversity of pet shows and competitions, where their qualities can be celebrated. Prepare for your writing task. Summarize the key points from the video and discuss how they contrast with or challenge the main ideas presented in the reading from the previous activity.